Hey yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been storm. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing some large twists in my hair, and I have to tell you guys that I'm so excited about it. All because I've always wanted to do this style, but I could never find the right hair to do it. I did it once before, but the hair that I used was definitely not the kind of hair I wanted. And I was so disappointed even though I made the style work. But this hair that I got from Janet Collection is the bomb. Like for real. It really works. It's so soft and it makes my twist look so juicy. So the one I'm using is the 3-in-1 Value Pack Triple Afro Twist Braid, and it's in the color number 1. This hair is also good for crochet, but today I'm not going to be doing crochet. I'm going to be doing some large twist. I started off by parting my hair, going from ear to ear, just like I would do if I was doing my regular braids. I then plait the front of my hair and tuck it to get it out my way for now while I work on the back. Do y'all see how nice and thick my hair look right here? I am so in love. I must be doing something right. Now I'm parting off my first section in the back, and this section I'm going to be doing it in 4 large twists. Remember when I told you guys that this hair could also do crochet? Okay, so they all comes with small pieces for your crochet, but I'm going to be taking 3 of those pieces for each one of my braids or each one of my twists. I did not wrap the hair around each other like I would normally do when I'm starting my braids. For this style, I'm using my hair as one of the section, and then the other 2 section will be the braids. This is optional. You do not have to do it this way, but I feel like I wanted to just because I want the hair to be as even as possible when I start doing the twist. So I started off the root braiding it as I would if I was doing a regular braid. And then when I feel like it's secure enough to the root, I start off doing twist. Now that I feel like I braid it down far enough and it's secure to the root, I'm going to start twisting it. I know it looks super tight at the root, and that's because I'm twisting it as opposed to braiding it. But as soon as I let go off of it, it's gonna loosen up a little bit and it's gonna be just how I want it. So when I get far enough down to the ends, I put it in my mouth just because when it's so far down, it's harder to twist. So putting it in my mouth will make it shorter, and then I could twist it easier. Look at how juicy, smooth, and shine that twist is. I am already loving it. So for the next 3, I'm going to show you guys again exactly what I'm doing. So just keep watching and you'll see. Like I said before, I did not twist it around each other. And I use my hair as one of the section to go with the 2 part of the braiding hair. After braiding the root and I feel like it's secure enough, then I go ahead and start twisting it. Like I've told you guys before, when you're braiding your hair sometimes and you're having trouble, it may not be because you don't know what you're doing or you're not doing it right, but it could possibly be because of the type of hair you're using. And I've proved it more than once, and this time is another time because the first time I did my hair kind of like this, it was not so much my liking, and it's definitely because of the type of hair that I was using. This hair that I'm using, I'm going much faster with it and it feels so easy. As you can see so far, I'm not doing anything much different from what I do when I'm doing braids. The only thing different is I'm doing twists and usually I'm doing braids. I'm parting my hair the same way, but when I do the twist, I make sure I do it all the way to the end. And this way is easier for me just because I don't want them to unravel. So I make sure I finish them off before I stop any at all. Also, I must note that I do not burn the ends just because the hair is kinky. It will stay twisted. I don't have to do anything to the end. I did not even dip them in hot water because I want them to keep that shape. I don't want them to look straight. I want them to stay looking a little bit curly or kinky. I'm adding some jam to the side to keep my edges all in place just like I wanted to. Just like I would when I'm braiding my hair, I'm gonna part this side of my hair going downwards, and this will help my part to line up and be more even and straight when I get to the top. I'm doing this section in two because it's too big for one and it's too small for three. At this point, I couldn't decide whether I wanted a side part or center part, but I just kept braiding and see what will happen. At this point, I was feeling so tired and exhausted, but I decided I was not going to stop until it was all over. It's a good thing I had my cousin next to me talking to me and entertaining me the whole time. And here goes the final one. Whew, best feeling ever. I tell you, if you ever braid your hair yourself, when you get to this last one, it is such a great feeling. Man, I don't even know how to explain it. I'm just gonna brush this little bit of baby hair into my braids so it will look much neater in the front. And that will be the final touch for this style. And here goes the finished look. All I did was add some accessories and voila. I have to tell you guys that I am so in love with this hairdo. Oh my goodness, the twists, they are bomb. I absolutely love it. I did it half up, half down, and that also was very, very sexy. I was so in love. So you know how the pack has 3 in it? It took me a total of 2 full pack plus 2 pieces from the 3rd pack to complete this look. I hope that explains it. I'm trying my very best to explain to you guys exactly how much I use. I want to give a big shout out and say thank you to Janet Collection for sponsoring this video. I will leave all the information to the hair in the description box below, so please check that out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Also, show some love by sharing this video with friends that you think may like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!